Did you know that May is National Amazing Month? Well, most people have someone in their life who they think is amazing. Well, now's your chance to reward them. And here to tell us more is Randi Zuckerberg, founder and CEO of Zuckerberg Media. She's also an author, radio personality, Broadway performer, and a mom, too. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Molly. Thank you so much for having me today. And you're right, we're kicking off National Amazing Month starting now through the end of May, where you can honor and recognize all of those people behind the scenes in your lives that help all of us be amazing.
I've never heard of this before, that there's a National Amazing Month. So what is it all about?
Well, National Amazing Month, it's brought to us. I've partnered with Fairfield Inn & Suites, and really the idea is that there's so much pressure on all of us today to do it all, to have it all, to be the perfect parent and spouse and employee, and to be fit and healthy, to really have it all. The truth is, none of us can have it all on our own. We can't do everything well by ourselves. The key is to ask for help, to surround yourself with a great support system of people that really help you be your best self. And Fairfield Inn & Suites, that's what we're working on with National Amazing Month, encouraging you to think about who are all of those people in your life that help you be amazing. Go on their site and recognize those people. One of them could win a trip to Bali.
That is so cool. I think one of the things that people find amazing is if there are people in their life who help them maintain balance. So who in our lives is that person who helps us maintain balance?
Well, Fairfield Inn & Suites conducted a survey, and the results were really interesting. Now, the top result by far was that people thought it was their spouse or significant other that helps them stay balanced and stay amazing. That's not that surprising. We all know it's so important to have a supportive spouse. But what I thought was really interesting was that random acts of kindness from strangers and random chance encounters also ranked very highly on people saying that helped them have an amazing day, and that helped them feel amazing. So it really does go back to that, do a random act of kindness for someone today. That even ranked higher than online friends for most people. So it just goes to show even that little smile or asking a stranger how their day goes can go a long way.
That's so cool. I know pets ranked really high too in the survey that you're talking about. You yourself juggle so many different roles. What advice do you have to offer people about that?
Gosh, for me, you're right. I travel constantly for work. I have two little boys at home. Our youngest is 6 months old. So, it's definitely very easy to feel overwhelmed. My advice to people is not to be afraid to ask for help. I think, there's a lot of pressure on all of us to give off the impression that we do it all and we do it all on our own. But that's just not true for anyone. No one does it on their own. So don't be afraid to go out to your friends, your family, your support network. Ask for help. You'd be really surprised, I think, how many people are excited and willing to step in and lend a hand.
So where should people go to find out how they can send the most amazing person in their life to Bali?
Go to fairfieldhotels.tumblr.com. That's TUMBLR, no E in Tumblr. And you can go on, you can nominate the amazing people in your life for the chance to win a trip to Bali. You can upload pictures, stories. Fairfield Inn & Suites are going to be featuring a lot of stories every week on amazing people. You can send little e-greeting cards, and maybe someone in your life will win that trip to Bali.
Sounds great. Nice to talk to you. Thanks so much, Randi.
Thanks for having me.